welcome back. You're with Litty Mummy today, and I'm in the kitchen because today is Good Friday. Hey! And some of you have been requesting for me to cook a traditional dish. So today I'll be cooking up a storm, Ackee and Saltfish. Woyoy! Now, the first thing, as you know, Ackee and Saltfish is a traditional dish, Jamaican dish. And I've been thawing out the saltfish this morning, which is ready. So we are going to be going in stages today. But before I start, we need the seasonings, the ingredients which makes up the dish. So today I'll be using onions, tomatoes, spring onions, which you all know is scallion. This is garlic. You need some garlic and some Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, so we're going to be starting now. So don't worry, I'll be showing you how exactly to cook up Ackee and Saltfish today. So get a pen and paper ready. All right. First of all, I'm getting the pan. Oh, 1 minute, I'm just heating up. 1 minute here. I'm going to be pouring a little bit of cooking oil in the pan. I should have virgin olive oil, but I'm not using that much cooking oil in here. Just a little bit, really. And while the pan is heating up, I'm going to be talking because I love Ackee and Saltfish with food, yam. I've got some white yam here, green banana, and some plantain, and I've kneaded up some dumplings, also some flour. So I'll be making dumplings today as well. That is going to be my dish. And now the pan is heated up now, so I'm going to be dropping Scotch bonnet in the pan right now, and that would enhance the flavors of the food. So that can stay in for a minute or two. I'm going to leave it in, you know, while the food is cooking, because that's the whole idea. Then as things progress, I'll be adding in
the onions, I'll be adding in tomatoes, spring onions,
Scotch bonnet pepper, the banana chichi, hey, and some garlic for flavor. Also, I should have got the other ingredient, the seasonings here, which I won't be telling you because that's my secret ingredients. So, but you can put any seasoning which in there you like, which is flavorable to your taste buds. But that's my little secret of my own, so I won't be telling you that one. I'm just going to show you the most important thing which you need to put in for the niceness of the food. I can't wait to eat my food, you know, trust me. Lady Shay, I don't know where she is, but she's around the house somewhere. And once she smells his food cooking and popping like there's no tomorrow, she'd be running wherever she is to taste the food. So, the food has to be banging. But right now, I'm going to gauge the fire. I'm going to be adding in the onions now. The onions are going in right now. Can you hear them sizzling? I know there's no saltfish in there as yet, but let the food bits of gatherings get in the pot first. I'm not going to be putting in all the flavors in there right now because I'm going to be saving some back for the end. So this is what I've got left back now. Put this on the side. It's sizzling very nicely in the pan. Look, have a look. Beautiful. The aroma around the house is absolutely fantastic, if I may say so myself. Hey, I gotta big up myself. Yes, man. Anyway, let me just pat myself on the shoulder. I look that. Anyway, while this is going nicely, I'm really happy with the smells, because you need the smells, you know, the flavours. And now, what I'm going to be adding in, stage by stage, is a little bit of the saltfish each time, because so I'm just breaking up the saltfish. I'm just adding it into the food right now, into the onions, spring onions, tomatoes and Scotch bonnet peppers. No, I like cooking this dish, as a matter of fact. I'm just going to adjust the cameras, oh yes, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm breaking them up, you know, into segments in the pan, you know. I'm also going to be, see, as you can see, I will give it a stir so you can all see what I'm doing. And by the way, if you're wondering if my hands are clean, my hands are always clean, because I wash them like 25-30 times a day. But before I started this dish, I did wash my hands thoroughly. I'm going to give it a stir now so you can see. Can you see the richness of it? It's all blended in nicely. I haven't added in the ackee as yet, because it's still early days. But if you can see the consistency of where I'm going with the food. I should add in some Scotch bonnets in there, more of it really, because I like when food is Hello guys, I'm back again. Voila! Oh, this is my first time cooking on this channel really, because as you know that Litty Shay has done quite a few cooking videos on here, but since you guys are requesting for me, Litty Mummy, the only one in the building right now, I just have to do my utmost best for you, because of course you're my viewers and I aim to please. You're thinking, where's Litty Shay today? Well, she's here somewhere. She could be in the garden, I don't know, but give it time. The flavours are coming up. I think once she can smell a bit more of the flavours, then she'll come in the kitchen. I'm just adding some black pepper in here now really. Not a lot, just a little pinch of it really, black pepper. I'm not going to tell you the other ingredients which I'm adding in here.
Can you hear the sizzling of the pan? The flavours is
I'm going to be adding in some fish seasoning also. I don't have to show you the packet because fish seasoning. I got it right, fish seasoning. Oh, Lord have mercy. Anybody thinks I can't speak English or something. I've just added in the fish seasoning in there. I will show you while I'm cooking so you can see. I've just added it in. You can bring it in, you can take it out, you know. It smells really nice, if I must say so myself. It's not the first time I'm cooking this dish, but as I said, whatever you as the viewers request of myself or Litty Shay, we just have to fulfill it, because that's what we're here for. We aim to please. Woo woo. Anyway,
I know you missed me, so I had to make a guest appearance.
Oh, guess who's here? Guess who's here? Can you smell anything, Litty Shay?
Yeah.
Is it?
You know, it's good to eat now.
Is it finger licking good?
Yes. I
Whoa,
want to eat it right now. I'm starving, guys. When I mean I was starving with a capital S. Starving. Starving.
Look,
Starving.
She wants to eat it right now. I won't tell you what just happened. But the food is still in the pan. Litty Shay's gonna stir while I go and get the other ingredients for the pan.
This looks good, guys. This looks turn out. What? This food here. Guys, if you could smell what I'm smelling right now, you would be like, whoa. Yes, it's a proper Jamaican house. Whoa.
Why not hand you up yourself? Why?
Listen. listen, guys, I was upstairs and I was like, hold on a minute, I can smell food. I can smell food. So I come downstairs, I'm like, yes. Whoa.
While Litty Shay is stirring the food, go to that side please. I'm going to be still putting in the saltfish in because it's not finished yet. And I'm cooking up a storm today, by the way. So, hey, because the more food we cook, the more happier Litty Shay is going to be.
Oh, yes.
And you know that she really, really enjoys food. Because if anybody knows her, just holler her and say, food ready. And she's ran your house like, hey, Woody Woodpecker, you know, or Speedy Gonzales. But I really think it's Speedy Gonzales, you know. So today's Good Friday. As I said, I'm going to enjoy myself. But for the previous years, I've always got food prepared. You know, like the salmon or the curly fish, where you got to season it overnight and do it old school way. But this year, I said, you know what? Hey,
Bonda.
yeah, you hear that? Needless anything else to say. You know, can you smell it? It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm going to be putting some more in. I might cook 3 days really, because I'm cooking food as well with it. So that'd be quite banging. If you don't know what banging is, it means
Litty.
all the way, all the way.
Turn up the heat.
Turn over.
Turn up the heat in the kitchen. Whoa. Do-do-do-do.
That was the intro.
But yes, guys, comment down below what your plans are for Good Friday, because my plan is to eat. Eat and sleep. But what's your plans, Mum?
My plans is to do the same thing. Oh Lord, I think I'm missing out on one of the main ingredients, but not
Eat,
to worry.
sleep and repeat. Yeah,
Eat,
sleep and repeat. Eat, sleep, repeat.
Eat, sleep, repeat. Eat, sleep, repeat. By the way, guys, the longest part about cooking ackee and saltfish is that you must thaw off the salt of the saltfish. If you don't know what I mean by that, you need to boil all the salt off the saltfish. So that's about 45 minutes. But in total, about say for instance a whole hour. So every 20 minutes or so, you just have to thaw off the water. Otherwise, you're going to be eating salt on top of the fish. Skin. Anyway, is that finished now? The ackee and saltfish is nearly done now, but now I'm going to be applying,
you know.
applying the English terminology.
Applying.
The ackee.
Ackee and saltfish. Ackee and saltfish.
Can you make a gathering? Can you make a hole in the middle, please? It's all here. And the way how you stir the ackee is that you know that food's about to be ready, is that you rotate it. You don't mash it up like scrambled eggs. You just take your time and turn it around in the pan. Camera woman, can you come back please? Litty Shay, I need to just adjust the camera slightly so you can see the food in the pan. I am holding it slightly and I'm turning it over. I am not squashing up the ackee. So I'm just pushing it from side to side and just lifting it up so that it looks, look. So this is how it looks. And all I have to do now is just leave it on the pan to just simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, say 10 minutes max. And then that's going to be ready. I just have one more ingredient to put in there, but I won't be showing you that on camera. That's a private seasoning. And that will be ready, and then that will be ready.
But yeah, I'm back again, guys. I was just about to go upstairs, but then Litty Mummy called for my assistance, so I had to return. But yes, guys, let us know down below in the comment section what you think of this video, and make sure you're smashing that like button.
Make sure you share it up. and make sure you subscribe
and hit that button down below.
And if I haven't said it before, if you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe. You asked us to do you something. We've done the video, so all you have to do is just tap that button. Tap. Come on, little Shay. Tap that button. Tap that button. Tap that button. Bye.
Don't forget, share. Tell everybody, and don't forget to comment down below what you're eating for Good Friday. You know, Fish Friday. Why? What?
Break it down. Hey. Anyway, guys, on that note, I'm going to just say peace out. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Well, now the proof is going to be in the pudding, but it's not the pudding I'm cooking, it's the saltfish. So you know it go already. High five, girl. Yes. I think I'm too joking up on it or no. Anyway, now I'm going to. Are you ready for the taste, the Litty Shay?
Of course.
Okay. Can you pick up the fork, please? As you can see, the Ackee And Saltfish is ready. So I'm not giving you a lot, you know. So don't stay there thinking that you're gonna eat a lot until the food is ready, you know. Until the main food is ready. Anyway, don't start yet. Drum roll. All right. I can tell by her facial expressions, you know, if it's nice. And I know it's banging already, so yes. So, how much would, well, I'll let you eat first and consume, you know, your belly hole. You know, your belly hole, you get it? You know, your belly hole.
Guys, taste some. Taste some. Nice.
So, I will let you consume the food. Consume, you know. And intake all the flavors, you know, because a little touch up is better than none. Because, as you know, I love my seasoning. And guys, some of you guys out there might not like seasoning or like spicy food, but I like spicy food because without spice, it doesn't make sense eating the food. But I'm only talking for myself, of course. But sorry about that, guys. Now, interview time now. Interview time. 1 minute. Let me rock it up. How would you rate the food?
10 out of 10.
And do you think if I was to go on the road and sell my food, will it be sold?
Yes.
How much do you think I should sell my food for?
Guys, nice. How much?
For a small bowl of food, really.
A small bowl, I would say like £3.50 if you're trying to make money. And you know, but if it's a meal deal, then maybe £5 if it comes with dumpling, yam, and other food.
But for the dumpling and the yam, I have to need out my strength, so I have to put an extra 50 pence in it, you know,
exactly.
Because time is money. And but I know that my food is lit, because if it wasn't lit,
I would have been yamming it.
I wore. Now I'll leave her to enjoy the food, and I hope you guys out there enjoy the video, and I hope also that you will go and try making this food yourself, and I hope that you make it the same way, if not the same way, along the same lines anyway. So I will leave you in Litty Shay's capable hands, so you can see her eating. And also, when I've finished cooking the food, the dumpling, the yam, and the plantain, etc., I will be also showing you the finished product. So it'll be all lined out nicely for Litty Shay again to try.
Okay.
So on that note, like the video, share the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed before, and run up the blood clot views and the rest.
Yes, guys. But until next time, we out.